Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss with you exploratory research versus conclusive research. What is the difference between exploratory research and conclusive research? Let's examine some of their differences. First of all, what is exploratory research? Exploratory research is used to investigate a problem that is not clearly defined or understood. It is therefore conducted to gain a deeper understanding of a research problem and its context, rather than to gain an understanding on its solution or result. While the conclusive research design is used to obtain information that can be used to reach conclusions or make decisions. Exploratory research is more unstructured and therefore offers more flexibility when compared to conclusive design that is more structured and rigid. Exploratory research is used by researchers to understand the phenomena being studied so as to form a more precise research problem before it can be effectively investigated. While the conclusive research relies on the use of highly structured techniques such as surveys with closed-ended questions in order to prove or disapprove a hypothesis. The third difference is conclusive research when compared to exploratory research relies more heavily on the use of quantitative data. It therefore uses a lot of statistical tests and advanced analytical techniques, allowing it to have a large sample size. Conclusive research is used to answer questions such as what, when, where, and how. It is the research that describes a population, situation, or phenomena. And the conclusive research is used to investigate the cause and effect relationship between variables. While exploratory research, on the other hand, relies more on the qualitative data. Some common qualitative approaches used in exploratory research are interviews, focus groups, and case studies. It's all about today's video. Hope so the difference between exploratory research and conclusive research is now clear to you. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, kindly subscribe my channel and also press the bell button so that you can get the notification of coming videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.